What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Torrence, and in today's video, I wanted to see if I found the world's fastest eyeshadow. I am someone who generally likes to go over the top, but as you can see, the shine that I am giving you all is over the top. But when I tell you all, this look was so simple and so fast, I did both eyes in about a minute. When I first grabbed these shadows, I truly didn't expect much more of them than any other liquid shadow. I figured you put them down, you put another color on top, you keep it moving. It's just an extra step. So imagine how I felt when I realized one day I put some on, was racing around the house to get some things done, and forgot. Oh no, Torrence, you didn't set that shadow. You didn't put anything else on top of it. What is it gonna look like? How is it gonna last? I'm here to let you know, honey. These shadows set themselves. They don't need anything else on top, and they look fabulous. Like, honey, look at this. I'm wearing two different colors on the lids. On today's look, I timed myself to see how I can get it done, and when I tell you, we only needed 1 minute. Yeah, I was racing a little bit. I'm on camera, but when I tell you, no jump cuts, you get to see how I pull this whole eye look off. But enough of the chit chat, honey. I just want to jump into this video and show you all just how fast and easy getting glam for the day can be. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just go ahead and continue to watch. Started things off already. I've done a no makeup look. If you'd like to know how I achieved this look, you can go ahead and watch that video here. But I was getting ready to head to Target and decided, you know what, Torrence? You know you love the lip bar, and you know your local Target has a lip bar section. So why not go ahead, throw on a little bit just in case somebody see you shopping. You can go ahead and let them know what you're rocking. No problem. And just to show y'all how fast this is, I'm telling you, girl. I have my favorite shade here, Girl Next Door. Honey, I'm convinced this is the world's fastest eyeshadow. As you all know, I'm a big fan of colorful eyeshadows. I like to go in 5, 6 different colors. But some days you just don't have the time. This here is the perfect solution. If you are somebody who doesn't know how to do makeup, if you are somebody who doesn't have brushes, don't know how to use brushes, maybe you just ain't got no clean ones. The lip bar got you covered, honey. I already have my lids prepped. I just put on a little foundation, a little powder, just like I got for the rest of the face. Twist the cap on. I'm gonna keep the top on, and what I'm gonna do, press start and see how long it takes to do both eyes. Ready, set, go. Start going. We're going to untwist. And baby, I got big old eyes, so I have to double dip sometime. But what I like to do is take it from here, like all the way across, baby. Come straight down. And because I have huge hooded eyelids, I like to dip twice. Baby, look. Cut crease on that cool. Come down to the lash line, fix that to make her perfect, and let's hit up the other side. Once again, go high, cut your crease with that first dip. Bam. For more pigmentation, I'm gonna go in with a second dip, and use that to coat the lids. Baby, who said a 1 minute man ain't no good? Look at that. Girl, I am feeling myself. I have sparkle going, and all I have to do is let this sit back and dry. So you know what? We're gonna do that on camera too. All nighter so it lasts all day. Honey, the eyeshadow is gonna set itself, but because I haven't set the face, she gonna go ahead and get a spray as well. Let's go. Ooh, almost dropped the bottle, girl. Watch it, honey. Cheap fan, expensive breeze, good times. Yes. And you just sit back and feel fabulous, because the time it's going to take for this all-nighter to dry, honey, you're going to have a beautiful and fabulous eye look like. Yes. And I'm telling you, honey, The color just seems to get better and better as it dries, because then those sparkles can really jump out because they're not being held back by that liquid form. Oh, baby. I absolutely love it. And to think, we only 2 minutes into this tutorial and I'm done. Done. Eyeshadow look on fabulous. But let's say you somebody like me, you want to go a little further than that. Baby, they got another shade. It's a neutral gold. This one a little bit darker. This one got more of a bronzy hue to it. My favorite one, Girl Next Door, got more of a light gold to it. Take this one. Go on with Superstar. She a little bit darker. Go in and do my outer corners right here. Like, come on. Add a little gradient effect going on. Bam! And see, we didn't even have to go in and do that, but I'm telling you, just to know on those days I want to be extra, I can be extra. And I'm telling you, honey, I'm feeling fabulous. We're going to go ahead, grab my fan real quick, give her a few more seconds to dry. Yes. Done, ready to go, and I'm telling you, I absolutely love these shadows. They come in 6 different colors, and I want to go ahead and give you a close-up of all of these colors, plus a swatch of them just so you can see. This first shade here is called Girl Next Door. It's a nice light gold shade. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite one of them all. And I'm going to do swatches, and I'm going to make sure I only dip once just so you can get a true indication of what that color is like. Here's what Girl Next Door looks like. That reflective shine, like honey, does it get any better than that? Next up, we have the shade Superstar. This is that bronzy gold color, the one I put on my outer corners. Absolutely beautiful. Another high shine neutral shade. I'm gonna twist her off. Get her on here. Bam. And you can see right here in the swatches how much darker that one is. Although they are in the same color family, and if you were to just pick up the tubes, you may not notice the difference, but I promise you, Girl Next Door is a lot lighter, and to me, it's prettier on my skin tone, but that Superstar, you gotta have her too. Next up, we're going into more pinky reddy shades. This first one is a very light pink. It's called It Girl. Used it before, but she just doesn't do it for me the way that Girl Next Door does. And here's a close-up of what this one looks like in the tube. Once again, this is It Girl. Get a nice swipe of this one. And for me, this one seems to look like a nice rose gold, but it doesn't appear to have those same amount of sparkles that the other shades had. So I'm going to show you this one here. And you can see how, although it has a very high shine to it, it just really doesn't sparkle the way the other two do. Next up is the shade Hot Tamale. This is the reddest of them all. And this was the one that worried me. I just knew it was going to sell out before I could get to store to pick it up. Luckily, they did have a few left when I got there, so I was able to grab this one. And this is like those first few, very high shine. It has more sparkles than that pink shade, It Girl, but not quite as much as those first two neutral shades. But if you're someone who was looking for a red tone liquid eyeshadow, the lip bar's got you covered. And look at that, baby. I honestly have played with this a few times and used it on other people, but I've never used it on myself. Next up, to me, the most shocking color of them all. Ice Princess. Things like silvers, although I am a very huge fan of cool tone eyeshadows, silvers just seem to be a little too loud and a little too cool tone for me, but I had to get them just because I wanted the entire collection. And I'm the type of person who understands maybe I just haven't found the right shade or right hue. Ooh, wait, she pretty. She got a blue tone to her. Ooh, See, I ain't never used this color before, so I ain't gonna lie to you, honey. I didn't know she was gonna come off like that. This is a silver with some nice blue sparkles to it. Okay, lip bar. You see that? She doesn't come off as just a straight icy silver. You can see that blue reflect coming off on camera. Oh, I done played myself by not using that. See, this is why you got to play with the things you buy and quit just purchasing a lot of stuff. I be getting myself in trouble. I knew I had to race and grab this one because, baby, in the makeup world, once people hear purple, you got to get it before it sells out. And once again, this is a color I have not tried because those neutral ones, they just get me. And I was scared I was going to like, ooh. Oh, I've never seen, oh, this purple one is beautiful. Let me close this back. I did not know. Look at that. Oh, I may have to try that purple tomorrow. She is gorgeous. Look at, oh my goodness. And I am telling you all, like, I am feeling this look. It has an immense amount of shine and sparkle. Like, look at that. I don't even have to get close up to the camera for you all to see that shine from here. And with me having hooded lids, you can see where my lid does crease there. But look at there. There's no separation. It's dried down. It's not flaking all over the place. There are no crumbs underneath there. Honey, I absolutely love it. I know this was a really quick video, but I wanted to show you all that on a no makeup day or even on a glam day, you can get the job done very quickly. I absolutely love these liquid shadows. Like I said before, if you give me the option between a palette, using 5-6 different colors, taking a whole hour to do my glam, I'm willing to take that. But on those days where you just don't have the time, don't have the energy, or just simply don't have the materials, you can get this done. And as you saw, on camera, 1 minute, I was able to do both eyes. So I promise you, even if you have zero talent with makeup, this is something you can pull off. And I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you all check out the Lip Bar because they have fabulous products. If you live in the state of Michigan, you can travel to Detroit to make sure you can pick up items in store. If not, you can shop online, not only at their website, thelipbar.com, but you can also get their things in Target. I would recommend that you check the Target website to make sure your local store has them. If not, you can always have them shipped to home or shipped to your local store. But I'm telling you all, you will not regret your purchase. They may have started off with lip products, but these here are truly a winning product. Once again, my absolute favorite one is Girl Next Door. She's neutral, she's beautiful. But after doing my swatches, y'all might as well get prepared for a tutorial coming with Jet Setter because I had no idea this purple was this pretty. And I'm just sitting here going back and forth looking at my hand swatches like, ooh. But I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've already done so, I want to say thank you and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, leave me a comment down below if you've ever tried the Lip Bar. They make fabulous products for the lips as well as the face, and I recommend everyone give them a try. But with nothing else, I hope you all remember to practice, continue to stay blessed, and until next time, goodbye, YouTube. Ooh. Did it again.